Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. You Pull and Pay Customer Appreciation Day. 25% off and $1 entry instead of $3. James's door opens whether it's locked or unlocked, so we're going to replace that latch, and his blower motor is dying on him, so we got one of those.
It don't work at all.
Let's get cracking. Oh, it's totally out now?
Yeah, it works on top.
Alright, well, we got it. Let's get it done. Have the safety knee bolster out. Somebody's been at this fan. I see it's been replaced once. The clip that goes in there is already in there, and there's another clip here. But I'm gonna unplug the fan, plug this one in, make sure it works, and the wire harness clip for this one's here. Just make sure this fan works before I install. That fan almost ripped through my hand. I didn't know the switch was on high. So I'm gonna pull the switch over. Man, look at that thing turn just on low. It's quiet too. Put it on auto. And the system's kind of off, so it ain't doing nothing. But on manual, it runs like a bandit. So didn't hear no noise or nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. The door is done, and the blower motor's done. I think that might have taken me an hour, probably not. How long have I been here? Have I been here an hour? Like 40 minutes? If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.